Is your aim feeling off, even when your FPS looks fine? Does your mouse feel sluggish or inconsistent in games? It might not be your skills, it could be your mouse settings. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate mouse optimization guide for Windows. Whether you're a casual gamer or grinding competitive lobbies, these steps will give you sharper aim, lower input lag, and a much more responsive mouse. Step 1. Turn off mouse acceleration in Windows. By default, Windows adds a feature called Enhanced Pointer Precision. Sounds helpful, right? But it actually adds mouse acceleration, and that's terrible for accuracy in games. Here's how to disable it. Open the Start menu, type Mouse Settings, and hit Enter. Click Additional Mouse Options on the right. In the new window, go to the Pointer Options tab. Uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. Set the pointer speed slider to the 6th notch from the left, that's true 1:1 input. Click Apply, then OK. Step 2. Install the MarkC mouse fix, optional but powerful. Even with pointer precision off, Windows still applies hidden acceleration. To eliminate it completely, install the MarkC mouse fix. Here's how. Download the tool from the link in the description. Extract the zip file. Find the folder that matches your Windows version and screen scaling, like 100%, 125%, etc. Double-click the matching .reg file, click Run, and approve the prompts. Done. You now have raw, unfiltered mouse input. Step 3. Fix USB latency and bottlenecks. Use a USB 3.0 or 3.1 port if your mouse supports it. Avoid front panel or USB hubs. Always plug your mouse into a direct motherboard port. Unplug extra USB devices while gaming, especially on budget PCs. Step 4. Tweak the Windows registry for low latency. Backup first. Type Create a restore point and start. Select the C drive, click Configure, Enable Protection, and set max usage to 5%. Click Create, and name it something like Mouse Tweak Backup. Now, let's apply the tweak. Open the registry editor, type regedit and start. Navigate to hky_local_machine/software/Windows NT/current version/multimedia/system profile. Find system responsiveness, set its value to 1. Then go deeper to system profile/tasks/games. Set the following. GPU priority equals 8. Priority equals 6. Scheduling category equals high. SFIO priority equals high. These settings tell Windows to prioritize real-time applications like games. Step 5. Disable full-screen optimizations for each game. This feature often adds input lag or stutter. Here's how to disable it. Right-click your game shortcut or .exe file. Then Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Change High DPI Settings. Under High DPI Scaling Override, check the box and set it to Application. Click OK and Apply. Step 6. Install ISLC, Intelligent Standby List Cleaner. If you experience microstutters or FPS drops during long sessions, ISLC can help, especially on systems with under 16 GB RAM. Steps. Download ISLC from the description. Extract and run as administrator. Settings. List size is at least 1024 MB. Free memory lower than half your RAM, e.g., 8192 for 16 GB. Custom timer resolution, 0.50. Enable custom timer resolution. Click Start, then Minimize. It'll now clean memory automatically in the background, keeping latency low and performance consistent. Step 7. In-game mouse settings, critical. Once in-game, turn off these. Mouse acceleration. Mouse filtering. Mouse smoothing. These settings mess with your input, so disable them for raw, accurate control. Final step, restart your PC. This ensures all registry edits and tools apply correctly. That's the full 2025 Ultimate Mouse Optimization Guide, from system tweaks to in-game settings. If your aim feels better or your gameplay is smoother after this, drop a like and share your mouse model and settings in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, and happy gaming!